Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Damien Dimitrov and I'm full stack developer. In my previous video I showed my open source project which I making with the idea just to practice JavaScript with React with Node.js, and here I will show some refactoring for validation fields. So what means validation? It's, let's say, it's just some programming way to limit the user to send bad request to the backend. So for example, if he do not write correct password, or he don't write correct email, he doesn't provided phone number or last name if it's required. So that's the idea behind the validation. And first we implemented this without validation, and I'll open it an issue to validate this field. Here you can see the requirements. We have first name, last name, text fields, 3 to 150 characters, email, which have to contain valid email, phone number, which is similar to first name, last name, and I will just make it as text field, password field. So something not so, how to say, hard for implementing, because React is really much used for user interfaces. So if you want to be a React developer, for sure you will have a lot of forms to write, a lot of validations with different requirements. So I think every React developer have to be able to make this just for a couple of minutes, or I'm not sure, for 1 or 2 hours. Okay, if of course if he have to make only the validation. So I received a pull request from contributor. He decided to use pure React for validation. So I will make few comments of the code. After that I will show my way. So here first we have component which we are exporting. All input values were stored in useState object, and we are mapping input fields with another component. So this component is just an input row, nothing special. Here we have some article. It's an additional field for the checkbox, because the logic in the application is to be able to sign up as a user or as a seller. Here we have some submit button. It's just dump component which returns button with type submit equals name submit button. Nothing special, just looks more React way. Here we are making post request to the backend. Here is a host URL post, and if we have success, we are making success message, and if something's wrong, bad message. Okay. After that we have handle submit. Form elements have on submit event, and we are passing function handle submit. We are preventing the default behavior of the form, and here I will not deep dive in the logic. I will just open this field. So usually this had to be dump component. What is dump component? He is just a component without logic, like this submit form submit button. He is just a view component, just returns view. Whatever he pass to this component, excuse me here, he have to return some data, some JSX, first JSX, after that JSX is transmitted to HTML. So okay, first what we have here, we have some switch case. Usually I don't like switch cases, maybe somebody will argue me, but I don't use switch cases. Here we are using, he is using, excuse me, because this is his code, some regexes. He makes a let variable, which I don't consider for good practice, and maybe if we still follow this style, we can make some regex enum. We have here enums. Just I will show something, not here. Here we have some not good components. You can see this is contributed from a contributor. We will change this because here we have components, here components. We have some indexes. Not good practice. I will make video for that and I will change it. So here in the components we have common folder. No, in the top in the source we have common enums. So if you want to use some regexes, you can just write export const, just a second, regexes, for example. And here you can write email to write this regex here. Email. After that we have phone number. Okay, so we can save this, and here we can just remove this let variable like this, and here we can make regexes dot phone number dot test one. So like this we can just use enums, and to import it's better approach, but still I don't like this switch case, because first imagine if we have 10 types of cases. So in this particular import form we have to case all possible variations, and for example we have, let me show you, we have here some field in cell, we have another to create some home, to create some land. We will have a lot of forms with different kind of fields. So what we will make here, to make use switch cases for every case, and here you can see hard coded if name is equal first name. But what if we don't have first name last name? What if we are going here, let me show you just to see. Here we have, I have some seller account, So never. Here you can see we have title, city, different form. We don't have first name. So what we will make to check every time and for first name and last name. Imagine if we have here 20 or 30 fields, another 100 places, and for example 10,000 different fields. So what? We will have if statement for 10,000 fields. No, no. So this approach for me is not good. So let me show you my code. So you can see I still managed to use dump component.